channel. It's Janet with Ivylee, and I just wanted to share all of the packages that have started to come in for things that I need for the business. So it's pretty exciting. These are some of the first things, and I wanted to unbox them with you. Some of them, they're not that exciting, but you know, I'm doing this journey with you guys because I think it's going to be really fun to see and document where I am right now compared to like a year from now or 2 years from now. So let's just open this up. Anyway, let's get going. I ordered several things. Some things from Amazon, some things from like the Paper Mart, some things from China, and ooh, we have circle stickers. All right, that's pretty cool. Packing filler, all right. And then here's the one-handed stuff. I do not understand how people do this one-handed. Yeah, but we're gonna do the best that we can. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I ordered these. All right. Okay. These are acrylic shelves for my stickers. I only made a couple stickers that I've ordered, and ooh, it came with a screwdriver. That's probably not a screwdriver. That's the flathead one. What do you call it again? I forgot. Anyway, I can never remember the difference. I mean, I know the difference looking at them, but I always forget the name. All right, so we have some acrylic shelves. They are gonna go along my wall. All right. I had to use my teeth for that one. No one ever talks about that kind of stuff. How are you doing this one-handed? Use your teeth. Okay. My dad's actually a retired dentist. He probably would not approve of me using my teeth. Sorry, don't use your teeth. Don't do what I just did. All right. So we have acrylic shelves, and they're gonna go by my front door. That way when I have all of the stickers on them, they're just gonna be available, super easy to access, and then I can put them in the order. All right, cool. So I ordered 2 of those. Awesome. Let's move on to the next box. Okay, that's something new I need to learn also. Looking at something to open it versus looking through the camera to open it. That's interesting. So many things to actually figure out. All right. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes, I'm so excited. So this yay, I'm so excited about tissue paper. Woo! Have you guys ever been so excited about something like tissue paper? It's pretty boring, but if you've never been excited about tissue paper, try it. It's pretty fun. Anyway, I'm excited that this is going to be part of the packing supplies and go somewhere. It's going to go somewhere in my packing area because it's going to be stuffed in the boxes when someone orders something and it doesn't quite fit all the way to the top of the box. I want to be able to put tissue paper in or wrap glasses or any of the pens or journals in the wrapping paper. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be making and ordering custom tissue paper, but I wanted to have this just to start out. So super excited. All right, so along this wall by our front door, so these are gonna go along the wall, and hopefully hold all the stickers so that I can easily walk by and just pick up the couple of stickers that people order. So they look like they have a very thin protector area so they don't fall off, and a long back side. All right, well, it's the next day and look what came. Yahoo! It's kind of like Christmas, but with work. So it's like I'm excited to get work. All right, well, these are from Uline. They are plastic bins, as well as I have in the garage some corrugated bins for the shelves. So we need to put in a few more shelves. I don't know where anything is going because I don't have my products yet, but as soon as we get the inventory, we'll be able to know what size of spacing we need between the shelves, as well as how many shelves we need. And then I'm pretty sure I'll soon realize that I need to get that extra room space figured out. So I'm excited. All right, we got some bins. Oh man, is this gonna be another thing where I can't use my one hand? Okay, whoa. All right, well, okay, that failed, but yes, we got some bins, so excited. All right, this is so cool. I have the little slider things that go inside the bins. These are going to be my label dispensers for my stickers, so that'll be pretty cool. I have 2 of them because I know that I'm going to need more than just a couple. And I didn't want one of those really long ones. I wanted a short one. So anyway, I'm going to unbox those. Alrighty. We have a paper cutter dispenser tool. Yay! Instructions. All right. Who reads the instructions? Yeah, that'll be me. I will read the instructions for sure because I don't know what I'm doing unless it's super self-explanatory. How does this work? See? Not super self-explanatory. Maybe this opens. Okay, that's much better. I think, okay, that was pretty simple. And I can put this together right now because I have the tissue paper. You guys, this is so heavy. Like, I could lift it, but I was thinking almost to wait until my husband got home from work because it was that heavy. This thing is a beast. So I'm gonna see if I can try to get it on the pole. Okay, so I did get it in, and I thought I should put it over here on the edge where it's gonna end up going. And it was manageable. It wasn't so heavy where I couldn't lift it, so I was mistaken. Maybe just kind of getting it off the floor and from the cardboard box that it was in, it just felt really heavy. It is really heavy. I don't want to do that again, but wasn't where I couldn't manage it. So let's see. Hopefully this goes something like this. If I can carefully there's always one piece. There's always a piece. Did not get it on one shot. Okay, let's try this out. Ooh. Whoa, very cool. Let's try it. Nice. All right. Had to go past. Wow, I got it again. Let me try just one little piece. I won't let those go to waste. I'll let my kids play with them. That was better. Okay. All right, getting the hang of it. It's gonna take me a little bit. Yay, I'm so excited. It's coming together. Can I get one? Oh, just barely. Come on. Once I get one, the rest will come out. Yay! All right, so now I have to figure out how to put this together. One-handed. Of course, one-handed. What else would it be? Nope, I think it's gonna need two hands for sure. It's so cute. They're so cute. They look kind of big in the video, but they're actually so small. It's just a little bit, well, it's a little bit bigger past my wrist. Yay, they're so cute. So here's my dog, Katie. She's wearing a diaper right now because she is in heat. Katie, over here. She is a mid-sized golden doodle. Yes, good girl. We are a guardian family for the breeder who owns her. So we won't own her until after she's done breeding, technically, but she's our puppy. Ah! Oh, come on. All right, so that's two. I am trying to figure out how many I need per shot. All right, three of them barely make it in here. It's a tight squeeze, but that's gonna be so cool for my pins. I'm so excited. Ooh, yeah. So it's cool to see how these bins stack up. I can get as many as I want because they don't really need a shelf. They just stack on top of each other. So it's really cool. I know that with my enamel pins and my enamel bookmarks, I need the cardboard corrugated bins because the size of the product is probably taller than the corrugated box, and it would be taller than these bins, so I wouldn't want to reach in here to get an enamel pin with the card and have it get dented or scratched on this. So I know I need room for those in the corrugated bins, but it's hard to know how much I'm gonna need or how many per shelf or how many shelves I need when I don't have the product yet, but it's on its way. So I'm just gonna fill up this shelf, and I guess I'll just have to rearrange it when the products actually get here. All right, it's looking pretty